If the news usually gives you headache, relax, I will summarize it. Welcome to Victor Junction, where we explain Nigeria without shouting at you. Let's get straight into today's biggest stories. First up, politics. Obi has officially moved to ADC party. Now, before social media turns into World War III, let's be honest, this is not romance, this is strategy. In Nigeria, political parties are not permanent homes, they are vehicles. If one vehicle dey slow down, politicians simply enter another one. The real question is not where Obi move to, but what kind of structure follows it. Because in this country, popularity gets applause, but structure na im get votes. Now let's talk about security. Gently but honestly, government says they are on top of the situation. Nigerians are still asking, which situation exactly? Because when the highway feels more dangerous than nightclubs, people will complain. This is not disrespect, it's feedback. Security is difficult, yes, but progress should also be visible, not just announced. We don't need poetry, we need results. A new tax law is coming. Government says it's for development. Nigerians say, okay, but explain it very well. Tax itself is not the enemy. Confusion is. If the people understand what they are paying, why they are paying, and what they will get, cooperation becomes easier. Because surprise taxes only surprise trusts. On a lighter note, entertainment. Nigerian music is still exporting joy worldwide. Afrobeat is touring globally, while Nigerians are touring for stations. At least one sector is consistently winning, and honestly, we will take it. That's Nigeria. Complex, funny, stressful, and full of potential. This is Nigeria in 3. Follow Victor Junction. News without the headache. I'm not here to tell you what to think, just what is happening.